Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of two premium travel credit cards that truly deliver value in 2025, the Capital One Venture X card and the American Express Platinum card. Both of these cards offer elite travel benefits, lounge access, reward points and luxury perks, but they take very different approaches. So let's break down everything from their features to pricing to pros and cons, and ultimately determine which one deserves a spot in your wallet this year. Capital One Venture X is the newer player. It was launched in late 2021, but rapidly gaining ground in the premium card space. It's designed to offer a luxury experience without the ultra premium price tag. You get a straightforward earning structure, which is 2 times miles on every other purchases and lots more on specific purchases, along with high-value travel perks like Priority Pass Lounge Access, TSA Pre-Check Global Entry Credits, and annual travel credits. It's marketed towards smart travelers who want high-end benefits without excessive complexity or cost. How about the American Express Platinum card? This card is a long-standing icon in the luxury credit card world. It has been around for decades and has built a reputation as the card for frequent flyers and luxury seekers. From fine hotels and resort bookings to Centurion Lounge Access, Uber credits and concierge services, this card is packed with elite travel and lifestyle perks. But it also comes with a much steeper annual fee and a much more complex reward structure. So let's talk about the main features in detail. For the Capital One Venture X, the reward rates are as follows: 2 times miles on all other purchases every day, 5 times miles on the flights booked through Capital One Travel, and 10 times miles on hotels and rental cars that are booked through Capital One Travel. There's a welcome bonus typically around 75,000 miles when you spend $4,000 on purchases within the first 3 months from account opening. You get complimentary access to Priority Pass lounges, Capital One lounges and Plaza Premium lounges. There's also a travel credits, which is an annual travel credits that you receive for bookings through Capital One Travel, $300. You also get a 10,000 miles anniversary bonus, which is equal to $100 toward travel every year starting on your first anniversary. A global entry or TSA pre-check credit of $120 would also be received. There are no foreign transaction fees and authorized users are free. They get lounge access too. How about the American Express Platinum? Here's what the reward rates look like. 5 times points on flights that are booked directly with airlines or through American Express Travel. 5 times points on prepaid hotels is what you get back, and you get 1 times points on other purchases. You also get a welcome bonus, which is the welcome offer that is as high as 175,000 points when you spend $8,000 in purchases on your new card within the first 6 months of card membership. There are other premium travel benefits like $200 airline free credits that you earn per calendar year in statement credits after incidental fees are charged by your one selected qualifying airline to your card. There's also the Global Lounge Collection of over $500 of annual value, a $200 hotel credits. You get back that money in statement credits each year on select prepaid hotel bookings through American Express Travel using the Platinum card. And you also get the $199 Clear Plus credits. There are travel insurances that apply for car rental and damage insurance. There's trip delay insurance and trip cancellation and interruption insurance. There are more hotel benefits with fine hotels and resorts, Marriott Bonvoy Gold Elite status and Hilton Honors Gold status. As a Platinum member, you are eligible to enroll in complimentary Hilton Honors Gold status. And other travel benefits include the fee credits for global entry or TSA pre-check, which is $120. No foreign transaction fees on this one as well. And there are entertainment and dining benefits. Lots of benefits. As you can see, both cards pack in value. But the Amex Platinum gives you more lifestyle-oriented packs, while Venture X leans into travel simplicity and consistency. So let us talk about the pricing. For the Capital One Venture X card, it is $395 annually. No charges for authorized users. And for the Amex Platinum card, it is $695 annually. There's a 20.24 to 29.24% variable APR on eligible charges. and it is believed that authorized users pay additional money for the Platinum card holders. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of using these cards. First, the pros. For Capital One Venture X, the annual fee is lower, simple and generous flat rate rewards, easy to redeem miles for travel, there's lounge access for free authorized users, and the annual bonus miles and the $300 travel credits can help to offset the annual fees. There's also a strong mobile app and travel portal. And the pros of the Amex Platinum? Rich lifestyle credits. You earn very good points on flights and hotels, and there's access to luxury hotel programs. There's also travel concierge and elite status with Marriott Bonvoy and Hilton honors, which is incredible. How about the cons? For Capital One Venture X, there are fewer lifestyle credits, and you require bookings via Capital One Travel to get the top rewards. How about the cons of the American Express Platinum card? Very high annual fee compared to Capital One Venture X, and authorized users' fees are steep. So while Amex gives you more benefits, Venture X arguably gives you more usable value at a cheaper rate. But the question still comes up, which is a better card in 2025? Well, if you are a frequent traveler who values simplicity, excellent value, and strong core benefits like lounge access and travel rewards, then Capital One Venture X is hard to beat. It gives you nearly all the travel perks that you would want at a lower fee with generous points. But if you want the full luxury experience, you don't mind juggling multiple credits, and you enjoy the prestige of the Amex brand, the Platinum card will be perfect. This Amex Platinum card is the ultimate card for frequent flyers who want more than just rewards. They want elite access, white glove service, and premium partnerships. And that's it on the comparison between the Capital One Venture X and the American Express Platinum card. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Chase Sapphire Reserve, American Express Gold Card, and US Bank Altitude Reserve Visa Infinite. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.